Hello guys, welcome back to our channel where we talk about crypto futures and stocks. Today we traded the Nasdaq. Um, the market opened and started going higher. It pushed all the way high, pushed it all the way to about 13,000 over here area, and then drop all the way down. So it was a pretty indecision, I'll say that, to know where the market gonna go at first. So we waited. We did draw our support and resistance area on longer time frame. We basically get the support and resistance, so we'll know when the market gonna reverse. That's help us to know where it's gonna reverse, and that's how we trade the Nasdaq. Because if you're gonna trade the Nasdaq or the ES or anything like that, there's leveraged, and you're gonna trade it different than that, and the risk won't be managed. It'll be a bigger issue. So you have to manage the risk here in those trades for the long run, so you'll know you'll be profitable in the long run. So we did draw the support and resistance over here, as you see on the 15-minute chart. We look at the basically on the daily chart, and then we go on a longer time frame. Now the market was little ranging at that point, so we said we're gonna take a little bounce, take what we can get. We got in one contract, and we took some profit over here. Take that over here. Let me forward that a little bit. We look at, see that area right here, this area. See, try to break it once, then he came here trying to break it twice, then the third one broke it, and then reverse and get back up. So you got a little bit of a resistance area on this area right here. It was chopping, and then the market opened, broke to the upside, and reversed all the way down to this support level. So they give us an indicator of a buy signal, because that's what happened previous over here. That once, twice. We wanted to go back up. Fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. Still haven't broken it. So we got about 50 to 60% win rate, but as long as we risk 1 to 2, we are still profitable. So that's what we did over here. Let me show you. Okay, I went to 1 minute chart. We trade on the 1 minute chart. It's just like a confirmation to look at the 5 minute and 15 sometimes, for us to see how the candle look. If it's a doji candle, if you got any wicks or anything like that, to know where to get in and get out and don't lose any of the profits. So we got AIN here. We got some profit over here. Then he kept going, about 260. It was like something like that. And then what I didn't like this wick right here. See that wick right here indicates a small reversal to the downside. So I got out over here. But I wanted to see how that goes. If it's going to break the MAs, the 9 EMA, or not. But it looks like it's going to bounce one more time. So we're gonna get in again. I'll give some room to play. Usually we do wait all the way to see what's gonna happen. That's how the strategy work. But in days like that, you don't want to risk your profits too much. So it's basically playing right now. We're doing the top set challenge. We're on the step 2. We didn't record the step 1. We're on the step 2 on top step. They have an amazing program, so we go with that. And basically trying to get funded through them. Just being their community. Let's show you. I keep going up. The market wanted to push higher. Let's push higher. All right, but I also look on the TC2000. That's a great platform to use. And when you see that dotted lines, that's basically when you get to the area of the previous day on the 1 minute. It's going to reverse a little bit, most likely, and then go back up or go back down. So in those indecisions right here, when it gets to that point, I don't want to be in that trade and risk my profit. So this is right here basically, and he gets on the SPY to the same day open right here. So it's either gonna break or gonna drop, but we already have 3 green candles, so we expect 1 red candle before we break, if we break. So we just an extra confirmation. So see that. Sorry about that. So we have $355. As you can see, this red candle, it's basically trying to figure out which way to go. We got the EMA over here on our chart on Ninja Trader. So we got this $355 right here. Alrighty. You get to that level, small pullback right there. I think we took another one over here for the upside movement. Small wick basically. That's what we did. I just don't remember. But yeah, that's how we traded today, the Nasdaq. And we made a $390 profit off that. So it was a pretty good 15-minute trade. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.